comes just hours after U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken and regional leaders met in Jamaica to discuss a framework for a political transition. CNN's Patrick Hoffman is following the story for us. Patrick, as you look at this, is there some sense of timing as to when Henri may actually step down? Because there haven't been votes cast in that country for a very long time, which is why people have been out protesting.
Absolutely, and Henri himself was never elected. We should point out he came into power after the assassination of the former president. So, while this is a result of the mounting pressure on Henri, both inside of Haiti, as you mentioned, Sarah, and from outside of Haiti, the United States pushing to take this step, no clear sense of timing. Listen, this is being made up as the international community goes along here. I think it's